Namaste dosto. Friends, today I welcome you to Stocks in Uptrend. Many of my friends have asked me for intraday trading. Many means in last 6 months, maybe about 70-80 people have asked me. I should do intraday trading live. Yes, I will do. But before doing intraday trading live, let me friends go and check the best indicator for intraday trading. There are 180 indicators. Let us choose the best. And that best indicator for intraday trading is Bollinger Band. Friends, Bollinger Band actually is a volatility indicator. I will say it is specially designed for intraday trade. This indicator is already in your software. You need not change anything in this. Bollinger Band gives small profits repeatedly. That is why Bollinger Band is made. And in intraday trading, not very often, I will say it is made for small profits only. Sometimes you get big profits also. Now, the time frame actually for this is 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Any of the time frame you can choose. But friends, once you choose a time frame, let's say you have chosen time frame for 15 minutes. Whenever you do intraday trading, keep the time frame as 15. Don't frequently change the time frame because you will spoil your trades. Bollinger Band gives buy and sell signals. Also, Bollinger Band gives overbought and oversold zones. But actually, before buying and sell signals, let us see what Bollinger Band is like. So this is the Bollinger Band. This is the upper band. This is the lower band, right? And in the middle, there is a line which is this midline is 20 simple moving average. This also is already in your software. You don't have to do anything. Now this band is known as squeezed position. This is known as squeezed position. Means the band is actually normal and there is no volatility here. You can say these are the supports. Now, what has happened is all of a sudden buyers have come and the band actually has, because of volatility, it has expanded like a balloon. So now where is the activity? The activity is here, buy, and here it is sell. This particular zone which is outside balloon up is known as overbought zone. So this is known as overbought zone. I will write here. In overbought zone you can do buy and you can do sell. Now what has happened is the volatility again has come down. Again volatility, it has squeezed and gone into hibernation or squeezed band. Previously it went up, now actually it has come down. The price has actually fallen here. When price has fallen here, you make a buy here. And you make a sell here. So this zone is known as oversold zone. This small zone is oversold zone. Sometimes this is big also, no issues. Now only point is that it gives buy and sell signals. Now, is this Bollinger Band 100% effective? Friends, it is not 100% effective. It is approximately 85% effective. Sometimes it gives a false signal also. Then what do? In that case, we use it with a moving average of 3. It's a standard. For any intraday trading, you should use moving average of 3. Now what we do is, here we will put up a moving average of 3. So how it will look like? Let us say here it is moving average of 3. Sorry, it is inside only, and again it is here. So now moving average is confirming that your trade is okay. But your buy and sell, because you are dealing with the Bollinger Band, your buy and sell is buy here, sell here, buy here and sell here. Again what will happen is, either it will go up like this, or it will fall, or it will go, this balloon will go below. It depends upon the number of customers that you have. So friends, this is actually all about Bollinger Band. Very simple, very effective with a moving average of 3, 5. And if you like, please press the like button, share, and those who are new, joining new with me here today, please subscribe the channel. Friends, don't forget to give a comment. Maybe it is very small comment, but please do comment so that I come to know what do you want from me in the next videos. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram.